video is on organic compounds and combustion. You've heard the term organic used before, most likely at the grocery store. Organic to a chemist means something a little differently. If a chemist talks about something that's organic, they are referring to a compound or molecule that's made mostly of carbon. Carbon is one of our elements on the periodic table, found here at number 6. Usually, an organic compound consists of carbon, oxygen, and the element hydrogen. Sometimes organic compounds can also include things like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Organic can sometimes be confused with organism. An organism is organic. An organism is any living plant, animal, or fungus. Many molecules inside organisms are made of carbon. Inorganic is the opposite of organic. An inorganic compound is a compound or molecule that does not contain much, if any, carbon. These compounds are usually elements that are found in the middle of the periodic table, which are mostly metals. Sometimes these also include these elements of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, but most of them are found here. Sometimes you also find the elements listed in the first two groups. But a good way to tell an inorganic from an organic molecule is an inorganic molecule almost never has carbon. A hydrocarbon is an organic molecule. A hydrocarbon is a compound that is only made of hydrogen and carbon, hence we get hydrocarbon. These are all organic. When we burn a hydrocarbon, that is combustion. Combustion is just a chemist's way of saying burning. Combustion is when a substance combines with oxygen and gives off heat and or light. Sometimes you have both heat and light, sometimes just light, and sometimes just heat. In order to have combustion, we require 3 things. We need fuel, something to burn, oxygen for that fuel to combine with, and a spark, and that spark is what starts our combustion. This is shown in the reaction here. A hydrocarbon plus oxygen, right? The substance combines with oxygen. We burn it, so a spark is made. Heat and light are given off. And a hydrocarbon, whenever it's burned, will always make carbon dioxide and water. So we can see we have our fuel, our oxygen, and our spark making carbon dioxide and water. Because of all the energy and heat here, usually these are both seen as gases.